I have no idea where she is, and I would be so shocked if she just jumped at me. Oh.
Go.
Gemes. Ini kok kebut banget sih.
You apologize right now, Yeti girl.